What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to my very first episode of Yaya's Eats. So today we're going to be making this very wholesome bowl of couscous, garbanzo beans or chickpeas, and zucchini topped with feta cheese, which is my very first time trying this recipe. Now keep in mind, this is not a tutorial. This is just me experimenting with new recipes. So if you'd like to see how I achieved this bowl, definitely keep watching. So I'm gonna link down all the ingredients I use as well as their prices and where I got them in the description box down below, so don't fret. Also, please forgive the lighting. It was a cloudy day and the sun kept playing tricks on me, but what can you do? I had to keep filming. So I got the idea for this video from Evelyn from the Internet's channel, which what else is new? I love her channel, and almost right away I knew I wanted to replicate it because what else could be better? It is nutritious, it is cheap, and relatively easy to make, so why the hell not? Also, it doesn't have meat. Now, if you're new to this channel, I stopped eating meat almost a year ago. It's going to be a year on January 29th or 30th, and it was supposed to just be for a month, and nearly a year later, here we are. It wasn't for any other reason except to see how long I can go without eating meat, and also for the health benefits. I wanted to see if it makes a difference health-wise, and it does. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going. Now, I can't say I won't ever eat meat again, but for right now, I'm fine without it. So now I'm adding olive oil to a saucepan, and then I'm gonna add on my onions. And next I add in my zucchini, followed by my garlic salt right there, and then my Cajun spice, which I'm only using because I ran out of all-base seasoning and couldn't find any from the store. And then I went in with some chili peppers and then my Maggie Cube. And then I stir it and just let it simmer. Once the zucchini is done, I transfer it into some glass dishware because I'm going to be needing the saucepan for the garbanzo beans. So right there I put some olive oil again. Then I went to open my garbanzo beans, all 3 cans of garbanzo beans with my knife because again, I don't own a can opener. I try to get the cans that pop open like a soda, but those were all sold out, which is annoying, but understandable why, because no one wants to bother with a can opener, or in my case, with a knife. So as you can see, the first 2 ones went well, the third one not so much. So I went in with some onions again into the saucepan. Then I added in my spices, all the same spices I put into the zucchini. And then I added some Garam masala, a little bit of ginger powder, and the spicy sauce that my mom had made for me. And then added on my garbanzo beans. And then I added on some chicken stock and then put a lid over it and let it simmer for 20 minutes. And then next, it was time for my couscous. The recipe called for 1 cup of water for every cup of couscous. I used 1 cup and 1/3 of water for 1 cup of couscous. Then put a pinch of salt and a little bit of olive oil. And then poured in my couscous. That literally took less than 5 minutes to make. And then just stirred and stirred around until it was fluffy. And then poured it in my plate. I added some lemon juice concentrate off camera for some zest. I didn't have real lemons, so I had to improvise. And there you go. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on Tuesday.